Hey everybody, what's up? Just wanted to stop in and share with you what I'm chewing on right now. I've got some pineapple and some green apple, and yeah, the pineapple, green apple, and I'm not remembering what my third fruit was, but it's just a nice little tasty, oh yeah, limes. Yeah, limes and lemons actually. So limes, lemons.
Also red grapes.
The pineapples and also the green apple. And I froze it for about 6 hours. And it's not like all the way frozen, but look at this, guys. It's like an Italian ice almost, like a really nice. I'm putting something that's not in liquid form in my mouth right now. Feels like there's no words to describe. I'm so glad I tried this. And then to get more, you just kind of take your spoon and carve it off the side. This hot Florida sun is melting it down quick. You don't want it to freeze all the way because your jar could break, guys. I guess if you might forget, then use a plastic so that way you don't get glass in your treat. Thanks for watching, and I hope you give this a try.